Trajan's market was built in 110 AD to honor Emperor Trajan by Apollodorus of Damascus, whom Trajan entrusted. Emperor Trajan copied Julius Caesar's form, but instead of having a bunch of individual stalls, he built an entire shopping mall. Trajan's market was built up a pile of shops, warehouses, and offices set in the side of Quirinal Hall. It was thought to be the world's oldest purpose-built shopping mall. The upper levels of the market were used for offices and sometimes residences, but the bottom was made for sales. One can find spices, jewels, corn, fish, meats, fruits, cloths, oils, breads, wines, flowers, and herbs in Trajan's market. One floor gave free food. Trajan's market was very noisy, crowded, and dirty, but many poor people had to work there to support themselves and their families. That is why Apollodorus made the Trajan market.
The Trajan's market had already made food, because most of the people did not have kitchens. The rich, on the other hand, did, so they sent their slaves to get the food for them. There were no supermarkets, just small shops with specialized goods. Trajan's column was part of the market. It was 120 feet tall, about 2 stories. It told of Emperor Trajan's accomplishments in pictures that spiraled up the statue. On top of the column stands a statue of Emperor. Trajan's market was one of the wonders of the ancient world, and its ruins are still famous today.